Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be creating this look that is inspired by TailorMadeJane. Boom. So she did like a smoky eye with greens and navy blue, and then she put that glitter on top. So I'm actually going to start off by priming my eyelids with the NARS eyeshadow base, and I'm going to outline my brows using this flat top brush. Oh yeah guys, she also didn't fill her brows in with anything, so I'm not going to put any products in my brows. I'm just going to create the eyeshadow look, and then I'm going to finish my full face. Guys, this is also my first time using a eyeshadow base primer by NARS, so I'll let you guys know my opinion on it as well, and you can see throughout the video how the shadows stick. Alright guys, so I'm going to use a fluffy brush and just blend out that eyeshadow base, and then I'm going to use my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn just to outline my brows a little bit more, to deepen the crease and deepen that brow bone. Okay, so now that's all blended, I'm going to go into my Morphe palette and I'm going to tap into the darkest green shade, and I'm going to tap that all over my eyelid. I'm mainly going to be doing one eye on camera, but you'll see the complete look at the end. So right after I tap into this really dark, like forest green, I'm going to tap into this lighter shade. Gonna pack that other green color on top of this one and then slowly blend it in as she did in her video. Alright, so now that that's blended in, I'm going to tap into my navy blue and I'm just going to bluff that all over my crease just to darken that area a bit. Alright, so now I'm just going to dip into that yellow eyeshadow and I'm just going to define my brows by swooping it across the brow bone to bring the look together. I know a lot of people use concealers and like eyeshadow base to cut their crease, but I'm actually going to use the Fenty foundation in the color shade 310, and I'm just going to pack on where I want to really necessarily cut my crease. I don't want my crease too wide or too high, so I'm just going to kind of move the brush in circular motion until I get the shape and the crease that I'm looking for. I'm going to pat back into that Morphe palette and I'm going to tap on that white shadow, and this is just serving as almost like a setting powder. I'm just going to set that foundation that I cut my crease with, and once I set that, I'm going to go into my Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and it's like this white, powdery, glittery color, and we're going to tap that all over my eyelid. Going to apply that white shimmery color all over that cut crease and just pack it in. In this small angle liner brush, I'm going to dip this into black and just use the black and sweep that across the crease just to give more definition and define the area, also to give it a clean look. Guys, so the foundation I'm using is the Mercier Flawless Foundation in the color Praline. I'm just going to use this to clean up under my eyes and just buff out my face. And then I am going to use the Born This Way concealer to highlight my face. And that color is in beige. Alright guys, so to contour my face, I'm using the usuals. I'm using the Black Radiance contour stick, and then I'm gonna blend it out. And to set that contour, I'm actually gonna use the Novak Duo contour palette that I always use. I'm gonna set that on top of that contour, and to set under my eyes, I'm gonna use the Airspun Translucent Coating Setting Powder. I'm not gonna let it sit on it too much, and then I'm gonna blend everything out. I'm also gonna tap into my Ulta eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use that pinkish blush color, and I'm going to pop that on my cheeks. Then I'm going to sweep a little bit of that Ulta highlight across my cheekbones. Alright, so it's time for my lashes, and I'll be using these lashes that I picked up from Kiss. They're the faux mink lashes, and I'm just going to apply them. And I don't ever really use tweezers to apply my lashes. I generally use my fingers. So I'm just going to put that on, and I'm going to apply the other one off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so for my lips I'll be using the Physician formula. This is my first time actually using this lip gloss. It applies very nice and creamy, and it actually is semi-dry. It's a nice neutral color. I actually would recommend this. So I'm gonna apply this and I'll be back. Alright guys, so we're towards the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my recreation of TailorMadeJane. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, babe.